Since we moved into this house, this front door won't lock very well. And I'm going to show you how bad it is and then how to fix it. Now, if I lift the handle up, it does not go all the way. Key won't turn. So you have to really whack it up to lock it. And that's because the mechanism inside is not aligned. So I'm going to show you how to adjust the mechanism. So this is the locking mechanism strip on the frame. Runs all the way down. It's one piece of metal. Now it's out of line with the door locks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to release the screws and then I'm going to move it down, put a couple of screws back in, try the handle again and see what it's like. So there's lots of screws, but it's the proper screws. So we'll take them all out. Quite a few screws. You'll notice two of the ones are next to each other, not the other ones. They're holding all your bits in place. So that should be all the screws. So let's see if I can. Okay. Pretty much. I should be able to just push it down. There we go. So I pushed it down a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick two screws back in here, just to hold it in place while I check the lock. Give it a go. Oh, perfect. And that's how you adjust your lock. So now all we can do is stick all these 27 screws back in. And pretty straightforward job, as you can see. Only took me literally minutes. Now, if you called someone out to fix that, talking 150 quid, easy. So stay tuned because you can learn all sorts of handy hints from me.